Everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys all the multiple ways you can watch ESPN on Roku, so watch till the very end. First thing is a direct TV stream, and you can get their basic entertainment level package, which starts at 54.99, which is $55 a month, and it does include ESPN and ESPN2. And if you get their choice level, which is around $75 a month, it also unlocks ACCN, ESPN News, ESPNU, and SEC Network. Next up is Fubo TV. If you get their $69.99, which is basically $70, you get ESPN, ESPN2, and ACCN. And if you want ESPNU, ESPN News, you need to pay additional $8. Next up is Hulu with Live TV, and you get ESPN Live with Hulu plus Live TV with Disney and ESPN Plus, which is huge. None of these others are giving ESPN Plus, but Hulu TV is for $70 a month. And you can also opt for like a ad-free version at $76, and this will get you ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN College Extra, things like this. And then Sling TV, which is the cheapest so far, and it is for only $35, and they give you ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN3. Others are YouTube TV. I like YouTube TV because it's straight up. Next up, you could directly sign up for ESPN, and to do it, just simply add the ESPN channel and log into ESPN Plus to easily stream your favorite sports entertainment. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.